Is mindfulness for everyone? I get the opportunity to do interviews, and so this is one of the favorite questions that interviewers like to ask, almost like they're waiting in ambush. So, is mindfulness for everyone? And what I would say to that is, well, being awake in your life, being aware versus unaware, I kind of think that's for everyone. I mean, you might not think so, I do. But are mindfulness practices for everyone? Excellent question. I'd have to liken this a little bit to having an injury maybe and going to the gym. So let's say that you have broken your leg. You might have heard exercises for everyone and think, well, maybe that means that I should always go and exercise no matter what's going on. But that has nothing to do with self-care. Self-care requires you noticing what is appropriate for you depending upon a whole bunch of factors. You might be in a very low period in your time where focusing too much on silence might just bring up too many things for you that you're not at that moment ready to handle. Good noticing. Self-care. You may, just like going to the gym, be in a situation where it's harmful to you to be sitting on a chair, a cushion, lying down, whatever it is. Good noticing. What's important here is cultivating awareness. And part of that awareness is noticing, is this the right thing for me to be doing right now? I can tell you right now from my experience, there is nothing on the planet, possibly with the exception of breathing, that as long as the air is relatively okay, there's very few things that you could always say are good across the board all the time. And that would be irresponsible for me to suggest that. Mindfulness practices, just like everything else in your life, are appropriate when they're appropriate. It takes your wisdom of what works best for you, when it works best for you. And you may even find that it's helpful to check in with your doctor or your therapist, and I would suggest letting them know, hey, I've started a mindfulness practice, and I'd like you to know that I'm doing this because there may be things that emerge that I didn't expect, and I'd like to have a friend or partner there to help me with those things when they come up. That's good noticing.